Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Chacha and today I'm going to show you how to make Chanel inspired cake. And also this is just a part 1, so stay tuned for part 2. For our ingredients, we need a box of chocolate cake mix, 1 cup fresh milk, 5½ tablespoon of melted butter, 3 eggs, and that's all you need. So you need to get a mixer, hand mixer or electric mixer will do, and just mix all these ingredients all together. Let's do it. Let's mix all these ingredients. After mixing all the ingredients, this will be the results. The color change, if you notice, because this time I have lights. So now we're ready to put this in our pan, but make sure you are greasing your pan before you put your mixture. Also, I like to show you how to prevent the side of your cake from burning. So you get a paper towel, wet it, and then cover with foil, and then make sure that you put this on the side of your molding pan. So here's our baking pan. Watch how I place this foil on this baking pan. There you go, as easy as that one. And here's our chocolate mix. Let's put this in this baking pan. This Chanel inspired cake that I created, I have 2 flavors. One is chocolate and the other one is white. So let's set aside our chocolate mix and start mixing the white chocolate. Same ingredients, 1 box of white chocolate mix, a cup of milk, 5½ tablespoon of melted butter, and 3 eggs. And same procedure of what we did earlier with our chocolate mix. You just mix all these ingredients all together. So this is our white chocolate mix, and now we're ready to put this in a pan. As you notice, I already put the foil on the side of my baking pan. So now it's time to pour this batter on this baking pan. So we got our chocolate mix and white chocolate mix. It's time to put them all together in the oven for 30 minutes. And while waiting for our cake to bake, let's go and grab this black fondant. This is the one that I'm going to use for the wordings for happy birthday. So let's go ahead and need this so that we can make our happy birthday wordings. this should be perfect for what we need for our lettering. So I have these molders and I bought this from Amazon, and this is the best molders that I love using. So this is very easy to use, and there is also a silicone molder. However, I'm not really like how to use it, so maybe later on I will find it easy, but as of right now this one works best for me. And that's it. That is how you're going to use that letter molder. And see how it shows the individual letters. It's so visible. That is why I love this molder. And some of these part, I don't remove them right away, like on these letters. I leave it alone. I give it a little bit time for the letters to get dry. So you will see later that I removed some of it, and see right there, there are remainders of the letters. So don't force it because it might break. So you give it a minute to dry, or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, it's fine. And now we're making the Chanel logo. So I don't have a brown cutter. So as you can see, I'm using glass and the bottom of this measuring cup so that I can create this Chanel logo. Alright guys, that is your first letter C, and now we're ready to make the second one. So this is how you're going to make that Chanel logo. And some of these letters, it's a little bit dry now, so I'm ready to remove some, or the middle part of this. I don't force them, as I mentioned earlier, because there is a tendency that it will break it. So now our cake is done. It's now time to remove our cake from the baking pan. It looks so beautiful. So these are our chocolate and white chocolate cake. Oh, so pretty. Look at this white chocolate. And this is buttermilk cream. You can put as much as you want, or if you like to put thin layer, it's fine. If you want to make it thicker, it's fine. And there you have it. It's time to put this dark chocolate on top of the white chocolate cake. So that is how you're going to remove that chocolate cake from the bottom part of that baking pan. And you just trim it. Again guys, this is just the part 1 of our inspired Chanel cake. And this one you put a little bit of buttermilk cream so that the cake will stick and it will prevent from moving. So there you have it. So now let's go and put more buttermilk cream on top of this cake and side of this cake too. And again, this is just part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 because that's the time that we are going to decorate this cake. this is the end of our part 1 for Chanel inspired cake. So chill it in refrigerator for 10 minutes, and after that we're good to go for our decorations. Thank you again for watching part 1. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.